In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert MKV to MP4 your video content. If you have a video in MKV, you can convert it to MP4 very easy and free of charge. You need a software called Handbrake. So you can just come to your browser, search for Handbrake, and if you don't enter, you see it over here, the first option. You can just go ahead and download and install. It's available for Mac, Windows, and Linux. Once you install, you can just go ahead, come to your search bar and just search for Handbrake, and you can just open it. So all you need is to open that source or the video that you want to convert, or you can open it, just show the direction where it is located. We can just send it in. So let's say I have this video in MKV, you can just select it, import it. And the only thing you need to change is you can come to the video properties over here, and then you can make sure that it is the MP4 is selected. Okay, video properties, and then you can come over here and select, make sure you have H.264 selected, and this is going to convert your video to MP4. Just keep the frame rate per second to 30, but if you want to go higher, it's okay, but I like to leave it at 30. So once you set everything, you can just come over to start, and it is just going to encode your video and convert it to MP4. Just make sure you specify the direction where you want to save it over here. You can just browse and specify the direction where you want it saved. Okay, and you can see right now it is done. So you can come over here, you can see from MKV to MP4 converted successfully. To find this helpful, please leave a like.